Meteorologist Fitzpatrick.
Keeping temperatures on this Saturday afternoon well above 100 degrees once again, well above average for this time of year. The average is 96, and here's our highs for today. I mean, as high as 105 to 112 degrees. It was 107 here in Waco. We actually broke a high temperature record for the third day in a row. Are we going to do it tomorrow? Absolutely not. But, you know, we're going to continue to monitor how many high temperatures we continue to break here this summer. It's been a lot. We've been kind of totaling it over the last several days, but it was 108 over in College Station. 107 was your high temperature over in Killeen. This is our live Syntex Seamless Gutter Sky Tracker at this moment. Mainly clear to some partly cloudy skies. 93 degrees. Feels like 93 as well because we have those dew points in the lower 60s. A little bit drier air in place with a southwesterly wind at about 7 miles per hour. Things are pretty calm, things are pretty quiet, and that's going to be relatively the trend heading into the overnight tonight. Temperatures right now in the 80s and 90s. 80s west of I-35, in those mid 90s east of I-35. Currently 93 here in Waco, 93 in Temple, 92 over in Killeen, 93 in College Station, 92 right now in Mexia. Our exclusive Viper radar, we had a little dying storm move out from the north up in our northwestern counties into Hamilton, parts of Mills as well, but it is dying out. Mainly clear skies at this time, a couple clouds over in that direction, but for the most part, what we're watching right now is the stationary front up to our north. That's going to bring a couple changes here to central Texas, and basically we get a stationary front all because of that high pressure dome. Remember, it was over in this direction in the Midwest this time last weekend. Now it's retrograded back down to the southwest, and that's going to allow a couple spurts of atmospheric energy to move in here tomorrow and Monday, bringing us some very, very slight rain chances by the end of the weekend into early next week, as well as some cooler air. We're going to go 106 tomorrow, but then temperatures are going to drop into the upper 90s. And I know what you're thinking, that's not cooler air, but yeah, definitely cooler from 106, 107, 108, the past several days of high temperatures within that degree. So for the most part, we'll kind of take what we can get. Heading into early tomorrow morning, like I said, mainly clear skies, a couple clouds up to our northwest, but that stationary front will come sliding in here down to the south by around lunchtime into the afternoon hours. Few isolated, maybe scattered showers and thunderstorms. No severe weather expected with this as well, but you could see some brief heavy downpours if you happen to get under one of these storms. Maybe some gusty winds with that. That front will continue its trek down to the south heading into Monday, and we'll be left over with a couple isolated storms across the area, mainly east of I-35. Mainly sunny skies are in the forecast for us on our Monday with slightly cooler weather. Again, temperatures, afternoon high temperatures will not be around that 100-degree mark. They'll be slightly below that. Overnight lows, they'll be in the 80s, mainly clear to partly cloudy skies, and afternoon highs. We'll see about 106 tomorrow here in Waco. A mix of sun and clouds. We'll go a 30% chance for some isolated storms with our winds shifting out of the north by tomorrow afternoon and evening. Other highs all across the board. We'll go 106 in Temple, 105 over in Killeen, 105 in Mexia, 100 up in Hillsboro. It'll be 106 over in Caldwell with that excessive heat warning in that fuchsia color extending through Sunday evening. Back behind that up in our northwestern counties, that orange color. That'll be a heat advisory that'll roll over into our Sunday evening. And also rain chances will be anywhere between about a 20 to a 40% chance. So we're going to go a slight chance all across central Texas and the Brazos Valley for your Sunday afternoon and evening. Your long range 10-day forecast looks like this. Very warm tomorrow, 106. Then we drop to 98 on Monday, 98 on Tuesday as well. We're slowly going to creep back up into those 100s by the end of the work week into the following weekend as that high pressure dome makes a run back for the central and southern plains. Once again, it's going to lock in that heat. So if you get some sort of rain tomorrow, that's basically anything that we're going to see, at most what we're going to see for the next several days, with overnight lows ranging in those low to mid and even upper 70s. Over in Bryan and College Station, we'll go a high of 107 tomorrow, 40% chance for some showers and thunderstorms. That'll trickle into Monday as well. Afternoon highs falling back into those upper 90s for most of the work week, with overnight lows primarily in those mid to upper 70s.